guys, I'm Tony Pruitt with Speed South Shooting. I'm the Steel Challenge Match Director here at the amazing CMP Talladega Marksmanship Park. We have matches every first Sunday. We have practice every last Sunday so that you can come out and practice the Steel Challenge. It's like $15 for all day of practice. Just mention you're here for the Steel Challenge. We'll help you any way we can. If you want more help, if you want to get better, Speed South Shooting in conjunction with Birmingham Pistol offer a basic pistol instruction, which is all your fundamentals, and then when you're ready to step up to competition, we offer introduction to competition pistol classes. Both are very, very reasonable. Both are about a 4-hour on the range session. So we're going to keep you informed of dates, and if you're interested, call myself or call Birmingham Pistol Wholesale.